Transferring USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance involves several careful steps to ensure a secure and successful transaction. Here's a detailed guide to assist you.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
Log in to Binance, access your Binance account. Navigate to Wallet, click on Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Select USDT, find and click on USDT, initiate deposit, click the deposit button, choose network. Select the appropriate network, for example, ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20 that matches the network you will use on OKX. For instance, TRC20 on the Tron network is often chosen for its lower fees. Copy address, copy the provided USDT deposit address. Log in to OKX, access your OKX account. Go to Assets, click on Assets and then Withdraw. Select USDT, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Enter deposit address. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier. Select Network. Ensure you select the same network as chosen on Binance. For example, if you selected TRC20 on Binance, choose TRC20 on OKX. Specify amount, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Confirm details, double-check all details, including the address and network. Complete withdrawal. Confirm and authorize the withdrawal. You may need to complete security verifications. Transaction time. Transfers typically take a few minutes but can vary based on network congestion. Verify receipt birthday. Once the transaction is confirmed on their blockchain, check your Binance account to ensure the USDT has arrived. Network consistency. Always use the same network on both platforms to avoid loss of funds. Transaction fees. Be aware of withdrawal fees on OKX and any deposit fees on Binance. Security measures. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on both accounts for enhanced security. Test transfer. For large amounts, consider initiating a small test transfer to ensure all details are correct. By meticulously following these steps and precautions, you can securely transfer USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance.
Thanks for watching.